Hello everyone,
Assalamu alaikum everybody.
Assalamu alaikum.
I'm Parhinder Singh and I am a current intern at ILIA. I'm excited for the Smart Choices cast because I believe it will help me make the decisions I need to in the future. I'm about to start applying to colleges, so I have lots of decisions to make, and this course can help me make those major decisions. We make a lot of decisions every day. Some of those can be small and some of those can be important. This course can help you make those decisions. ILIA events like these I enjoy attending because everyone is friendly and welcoming.
You should attend Smart Choices with me. This year, Smart Choices is going to be so important for lots of teens and college students. We're always making decisions, and it's important that we're making these decisions properly and effectively, especially high schoolers and college students making decisions with what college should I apply to, what do I want to do with my future careers, or even a decision of what do I want to put on top of my pizza. Everybody makes decisions, and it's very important that we make our decisions very thoroughly and effectively. Sometimes we make decisions and we regret them. So
My name is Sumaya and I'm an intern at the Islamic Leadership Institute of America. I have joined many of IDIA's previous classes, such as Basics of Communication and Youth Project Management. I joined these classes and I learned so much skills that I didn't even think I needed to know, such as how to draft a formal document, crafting emails, and managing and executing projects. I also signed up for IDIA's Smart Choices, which is a 2-day class teaching youth on how to make right decisions, the elements behind it, as well as the Islamic insight. I joined this class so I could be prepared for any dilemmas that I face in the future or now, and also to gain knowledge on decisions in the Islamic way so I can implement my religion in all aspects of my life. Personally, I feel like every single Muslim youth in America could definitely benefit from this class and gain some knowledge that will help them throughout their entire lives. That's why you should make a smart choice today by signing up.
In this class, it can help you make decisions every day and for the
on August 22nd and 23rd from 5 to 6:30